Hey guys, Matt from Eastwood. Today what we're going to show you is one of my essential metal fab tools that I use around the shop almost every single day, and that is the Eastwood Benchtop Band Saw. What I got to do today is actually brace up a 1939 Ford body that we're getting ready to take the whole entire body off of the frame because the floors are all rotted out, and I need to cut a ton of 1x1 box tubing to get everything braced up inside, and I'm reaching for the Eastwood Benchtop Bandsaw to tackle that job. So I'm going to show you the process along the way and show you how handy this tool is. Alright, so there you have it. The 1939 Ford is all braced up and ready for the body to come off, and you can see one of the daily tasks that I use where the benchtop bandsaw comes in handy. Now I actually choose this bandsaw over a large industrial bandsaw, horizontal bandsaw that would take up a lot of floor space because when I do use it, it's generally on smaller diameter tubing, so I don't really need a large bandsaw that's going to take up a lot of floor space. So this is really handy because I can shove it underneath of a workbench, put it in a corner, and when I'm not in use, it doesn't take up any space at all, and I can drag it out, throw it on the bench, and it's really easy to use. Now what I normally do, as you guys saw, is I use my workbench as kind of a table for cutting, and I will basically balance and level the pieces that I'm cutting by putting some blocks underneath or having a helper hold the box tubing. And that makes it really simple to make nice, straight, accurate cuts, and we can just adjust it as needed, and it's at a nice working height when it's on this bench. To find out more about the Eastwood Benchtop Bandsaw and all of our metal fab essential tools, you can click the link down below or visit eastwood.com to get all the tools you need to do the job right.